Hey everyone, this video will cover the All Projects tab. So by tapping on all the projects, you'll see all the projects in the system so far. At the date of the recording, we have 1636 projects that have been added by either the project analysts or the community themselves, but verified by the project analyst. And we'll go into that into more details later on. So basically, in a nutshell, what you see here is the most important data, in our opinion, when you want to actually get to know a new project that you weren't aware of. You have the name of the project, the pre-sale date, the public date, the wallet collection date, the price, and the reason why there's a drop down is because sometimes you have pre-sale price, you get public price, and by the way, the between parentheses, that number is how many mints you're able to do per wallet, the links of the project, Discord, Twitter, the website, and the different actions. So here you have the quick add module where you click on it, it will actually add to your NFT project tracker, which we'll go through them in the next video. And you have either the options of adding, which adds it to your project tracker, but allows you to modify data to your liking because, again, it's your customized dashboard. It's for you. So what happens here is that as soon as you modify any sort of content here, it will be applicable to you and not the public data. So going back to all projects, you're able to sort by the following options, and you're able to even search in case you don't want to browse them page by page, because as you know, we're displaying about 25 and we have about 66 pages at the date of the recording. So here, as soon as you start typing, you'll have the different ones that come in. You can just quick add, and you're pretty much done. And everything will be added to your project tracker. And this covers that particular section, which we believe is super important to allow you to get to know projects that you weren't aware of.